Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a mac and cheese recipe for you guys that is going to take you all the way back to your childhood at Thanksgiving. It's going to be that old-fashioned, traditional Southern style baked mac and cheese. So let's get into the video. The ingredients you need are milk, Monterey Jack, Gouda cheese, and sharp cheddar, a stick of butter, 2 large eggs, paprika, salt and pepper, chicken bouillon powder, and 16 ounces of elbow macaroni. We're going to start off by bringing our water to a boil and adding in chicken bouillon powder, about a tablespoon. And then we're going to boil our pasta and drain our pasta. Set that aside, and then we're going to melt our butter. Pour in about 2 cups of whole milk. And we want to let that milk heat up for a little bit before we start to add our cheeses. So once that's heated, you can start adding the cheese. I'm going to go in with about a cup of Monterey cheese and whisk that in. I'm going to go in with about a cup of Gouda cheese and whisk that in. And then a cup of sharp cheddar and whisk that in. Once our cheese is melted, I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off and season it with a little bit of salt, pepper, and paprika. And whisk that in. Next, you want to get your baking dish and grease it with some butter. Once you're done with that, go ahead and add in your pasta. And then we have our 2 large eggs. We're going to beat those and add that in. And we're going to mix that really well. This is what's going to bind your mac and cheese and give it that traditional old-fashioned texture. So once that's mixed in, go ahead and add your cheese sauce, pour that in, and mix it in well. Make sure that everything is covered. And once you're done with that, go ahead and top with some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. You can use as little or as much as you would like. I think I probably added about 2 cups of shredded cheese at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle a little bit of paprika at the top and then cover it with foil. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we're going to remove from the oven, remove the foil, and this is what it should look like. And then we're going to place it back in the oven at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes just to give it a good crust. And the finished product, as you can see, is that old-fashioned Southern mac and cheese. Thank you all for watching. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be sure to turn on your post notifications. You can do that by clicking the bell at the top right.